Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to forcefully expand the unexpandable C drive or system drive or Windows drive in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by going to this PC. So here I have a C drive, which is the system drive or the boot drive. As you can see, you may use the D drive as a boot drive also, but in my case my C drive is my default boot drive or the system drive, or you can call it a Windows drive too. So how you can extend it? So let's try out with the first step. If you're lucky, then it may work, but most cases it may not work too. So let's begin with the first process. So for this, what you need to do, just head over to the start menu if you're using a Windows 10, and if you're using a Windows 7, you can click on the start menu and search for this name as disk management. You can search for disk management. Now once you open the disk management, you can see the different hard disk partitions that is available on your Windows computer. Now when I right click on the C drive, you can see there is no extend options, right? So let us just try to shrink volume from here. Say I will create new free space as 2 GB. So you can see this is a free space. So can I extend my C drive using this free space? So let me try. So there is no extend volume option. You can see here it's not available. And if I click on the D drive, there is an extend volume. So I will just extend it again. So the first trick is not working as we are unable to extend the C drive. That means by default this C drive is unexpandable in my case. So it might work in some computers, but in my case it's not working. So let's try the second method, which will surely gonna work for any computer out there, that is for any Windows computer. So first let us check again once again. So you can see here 423 and here also 423 GB, and the hard disk size you can see here different hard disk size here 478 and 438. So I'll be adding 2 GB from here to here, right? That is, it will become total 480, right? When I will transfer 2 GB from here to here. So how you can do it? So for this you need to open any web browser and you need to search this application as Aume Partition Assistant Pro. Just search this in the Google search and you will get tons of website. And the first website you can see Aume Partition Assistant Professional 9.1. Just click on it. So you can see its web page. So the professional version is a paid version, but still you can use the trial version too, but later on you need to pay it. And here is a download more option. If you want to use the pre version, you can use the pre version, but I'll highly recommend to use the paid version directly, like a trial version, because some features which is necessary for this video tutorial might be available in the professional version only. So try the paid version. You can click on this try demo and you can download a paid version for some tests, but still the trick's gonna work for you. So you download and install it firstly, as I've already downloaded and installed this software, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it firstly. So after that, open the or run the software that you have downloaded just now. Now you can see its user interface. Now here you can see my default system drive, that is my Windows drive. So I'll be transferring 2 GB of data from my D drive to the C drive. So how you can do it? So just right click on the D drive. Now here you will get a tons of options, right? Now here you can see allocate free space. Just click on it. So how much free space you want to allocate, and you can see here from D to where you want to send. whether you want to send to the system or to the Windows drive. So there is a C drive, so I'll be sending to the C drive. I'll be selecting the C drive here, and what I will do here, I will just put a 2 GB of data. So I've given a 2 GB of data, as you can see. Now after selecting every options, just click on OK. Now you can see here on the above apply, right? So just click on apply. So you can see here some options. Check partition before executions. You can, after that you can click proceed. So you can click on proceed. You can see here restart into the Windows PE mode, or you can keep on the pre-OS mode. So we'll select the first option as it is given. Click on OK. It will just perform the option. Now it will restart your computer automatically. So wait for some minutes until your computer gets restarted. So finally the application has booted. Now you can see here it's performing automatically, so you don't need to do anything. Let the software handle everything and perform everything that you requested to do using this software. So this software will now add a 2 GB of free space to my C drive, that is my boot drive or the Windows drive. So wait for a minute until the final completion gets completed. So finally you can see here the task has been completed. Now you can see here your computer will automatically restart in this much of second. You can click on restart now if you don't feel like waiting anymore. Now our computer have restarted, so let's check out if the tricks has really worked or not. So let's check out. So I have mentioned you this one will increase to 480, so it's finally worked. So you can see here before it was 478 GB. Total size of this C drive is 478, and now you can see I have sent a 2 GB from here, which was 437 before. Now I have sent from here to here. Now you can see here it increased 2 GB of hard disk size. So in this way you can forcefully expand the unexpandable C drive or boot drive in any Windows computer very easily using this very useful software named as Aume Partition Assistant Professional software. So if you never known about this very useful software, then try it out today. And if you find any difficulty in using this software, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.